In a shocking turn of events, a new player has emerged as a frontrunner in what is being dubbed AI World War I. AI2's latest model, Tulu 3-45B, has outperformed both DeepSeek's controversial model and OpenAI's GPT-4 on several major benchmarks. This development intensifies the ongoing rivalry in the AI industry, which began when DeepSeek, a Chinese startup, released a model capable of matching or surpassing OpenAI's offerings for free. Alibaba further upped the ante with its Qwen 2.5 model, while Microsoft and OpenAI accused DeepSeek of stealing their technology. Now, with Tulu 3-45B entering the scene, the competition has reached new heights. AI2 and the rise of Tulu. 3-45B AI2, short for the Allen Institute for AI, is a non-profit research organization based in Seattle. Known for its cutting-edge work in natural language processing, NLP, and other AI research areas, AI2 has stepped into the spotlight with the release of Tulu 3-45B. The name 45B refers to the model's staggering 45 billion parameters, which contribute to its advanced reasoning capabilities. The model was trained using 256 GPUs in parallel, highlighting the immense computational resources required for its development. What sets Tulu 3-45B apart is its fully open-source nature. Unlike many powerful models that lock their technology behind proprietary APIs, AI2 has released everything needed to recreate Tulu 3-45B, including training code, data, and instructions, all under a permissive license. This move is part of a broader effort to demonstrate that the US can lead in building top-tier open-source AI without relying solely on corporate labs. Performance and benchmarks. AI2 rigorously tested Tulu 3-45B on a variety of benchmarks, including PopQA, GSM, 8K, and MMLU, which evaluate knowledge recall, factual correctness, advanced reasoning, math problem-solving, coding tasks, and instruction-following capabilities. Tulu 3-45B outperformed DeepSeek v3 and GPT-4 on several tasks, particularly in math and knowledge-based evaluations. For example, on PopQA, a dataset with over 14,000 knowledge questions from Wikipedia, Tulu 3-45B achieved remarkable accuracy. Similarly, on GSM 8K, a benchmark focused on grade school level math problems, Tulu 3-45B secured the highest performance among models in its class. AI2 has made Tulu 3-45B accessible to the public through a chatbot web app, as well as by posting the code on GitHub and Hugging Face. This allows developers and researchers to test, adapt, or even combine the model with their own data, fostering innovation and collaboration. Training and technical innovations. Tulu 3-45B is part of the larger Tulu 3 family, which includes 8B and 70B parameter versions. The 45B iteration represents a push to scale open source models to their limits. AI2 employed advanced post-training techniques, including supervised fine-tuning, SFT, direct preference optimization, DPO, and a novel approach called reinforcement learning with verifiable rewards, RVR. RVR rewards the model only when it produces verifiably correct solutions, such as in math equations or constrained instructions. This approach enhances the model's accuracy and reasoning capabilities without drifting into irrelevant tangents. Training Tulu 3-45B required 32 nodes with 256 GPUs running in parallel, along with specialized distributed frameworks to handle the massive scale. This level of computational power underscores the complexity of developing such a large model. Safety and data curation safety was a key focus during Tulu 3-45B's development. AI2 claims that the model outperformed DeepSeek v3, LLaMA 3.1, and Nous Hermes 3 in multiple safety tests, such as refusing harmful or disallowed requests. This is a significant achievement, as open source models often face criticism for lacking robust content filters. AI2 attributes this success to meticulous data curation and preference fine-tuning. The training data for Tulu 3-45B was carefully curated from a variety of open datasets, including Wildchat and FlanV2, with extensive decontamination to avoid overlap with test sets. This ensures that the model's performance metrics are fair and not artificially inflated. Open source philosophy and future implications. Tulu 3-45B's open source stance is a bold statement in the AI industry. By releasing the training recipes, preference datasets, chat templates, and code, AI2 is empowering researchers and developers to replicate and build upon its work. This approach contrasts with models that offer only partial code or weights, fostering a more collaborative and transparent AI ecosystem. The success of Tulu 3-45B signals a shift in the global AI landscape, bridging the gap between academic openness and top-tier performance. It also highlights the potential for open-source models to compete with proprietary ones, challenging the dominance of corporate AI labs. Tulu 3-45B is a groundbreaking milestone in the open-source AI community. Its impressive performance, combined with its fully open nature, makes it a powerful tool for researchers, developers, and organizations. As the AI industry continues to evolve, models like Tulu 3-45B demonstrate that innovation and transparency can go hand in hand, paving the way for a more inclusive and collaborative future in AI development. Thanks for watching. Give the thumbs up if you like the video, and explain your thoughts in the comment section. Also visit judyfmarketing.com for more insights.